Hello, my name's Anthony with ARCM Roofing, and I'm here with Barbara. She had some problems. She had a typical roofer come out, and we don't talk bad about anybody. That's not what we're doing here, but she had some issues on the roof from another roofer, and we came out and helped her out with a leak. We tried to get out here as soon as possible. We've had this great weather here in Colorado. She happens to be over near Cherry Creek area, and we're just helping her out. What do you think? What do you think of us and helping you out with the service?
Well, I think you are wonderful. I can't believe it.
Well, I appreciate you.
You know what you're doing, and you're doing it, and you're kind. I mean, hard combination to beat.
Thank you so much. That looks like a 5-star thumbs up.
Oh, at least 2 thumbs.
2 thumbs up and a 5-star. We're talking with ARCM Roofing and Barbara here.
Yeah.
And you can reach us at www.arcm roofing, and that's 303-306-8334. You have a great day now. Give us a call if you need anything.